So in today's video, I will let you know how you can create the custom event, how we can implement the conversion tracking, create some conversion event with the help of Reddit event manager section. And now with the help of that, you can create different events. They will give you two options. Let me show you how to track a particular button. If somebody click on particular button, then it will fire. You need to set it here. I will click on that. Event will be showcasing in the event manager section. If you need to track a particular URL, you can use that. If you want to choose some value, you can do it here. Both the event have been created right now, and if you want to track anything on the website, you can do that with this tool. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you know, in the last video I have told you about how we can implement the Reddit pixel code in the backend of the website. So in today's video I will let you know how you can create the custom event and how you can track particular button thank you page with the help of those pixel configuration section. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. In this video I will let you know how we can implement the conversion tracking, like how we can create some conversion event with the help of Reddit event manager section. Let's start. So after landing on the thank you page, as you can see, our event manager is open here, and now with the help of that you can create different events. Whether you want to track a thank you page or you want to track a particular button, you can do it through it. So first of all, you just need to click on the add button, and after that they will give you two options: web elements or URL and keywords. If you want to track some particular word or particular URL, you can use the second option, and if you want to track a particular button, then you need to choose the web element. And you just need to, first of all, let me show you how to track a particular button. I need to track, let's say as an example, we need to track a enter now button. So what I will do is I will choose the event type lead. You can choose whatever you want. You can also name it as a custom event as well, but I will choose it as a lead because I just need to give you an example. And after that you just need to name it as, I will name it lead new. Okay, and after that you need to set a trigger. You need to set that like when this event will fire. If somebody click on particular button, then it will fire. You need to set it here, and this is the trigger button. And once you click on that, it will give you different options, like where you want to set that trigger, on number, on particular buttons. As I want to track this particular button, enter now. So what I will do is I will click on that, and as you can see, it has copied that particular button module in their trigger, and now when somebody click on that, it will be count as a lead in my Reddit event manager section. Now if you want to select some value, you can do it here, but I don't want to. And if you want to set a currency, you can do it, but I don't want to set any currency here because it's not a e-commerce campaign, it's just a lead base. So I will save it. So as I have saved it, now the event will be showcasing in the event manager section. And after that, as I have told you, if you need to track a particular URL, you can use that. As I want to track this thank you page in our event manager section, so I will name it lead. You can say lead. I will name it lead, and name it lead new. And that's it for now. If you want to choose some value, you can do it here. If you want to choose some currency, I will give it value like 10, okay, and USD, and I will save it. And it will take some time. As you can see, both the event have been created right now, and this is how we do it. This is how we create event for button, for thank you page. And if you want to track anything on the website, you can do that with this tool. So this is our video. This is how we can track events. If you really like my video, do like, share, comment. And if you have any query or concern, and if you have any project, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. Thank you so much.